How to add media. Go to audio, then select your track from wherever you saved your tracks, then click on the plus sign. Then you've got your audio. And here you can hear the audio playing in a minute. There you go, you've added your audio. Highlight the clip to get the next menu. Tap volume envelope. Made a mistake, doesn't matter, just click on undo. Cut, trim your clips to right or left. You can jump to various areas in your volume envelope so you can adjust the volume accordingly. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more videos like this. There's also a video with more tips on how to use KineMaster.